Hey everybody, Becky here. I'm at HomeBass. Come and check this place out. Oh hey, well, nosy my way over here. Hey everybody, I'm Becky with a big butt. Coming to crash your party. Ooh, what is rave? Ooh, look at this, ice cream, yeah. I guess I'll head my way back to the front desk. Hey.
Oh my god, it's Becky with a big butt!
I love how she knew my name. Gonna nosy on to the bedroom, check this place out. What? Wow, pretty light. Look how trippy this looks. Coming over here checking out the vendors. So much to choose from. Even has an area to make candy. Tower 1, Tower 2, even has a Starbucks. Boing. Let's go over here. Sup, G? Oh wow, it's getting lit in here. Let's go this way. I'm a headbanger. It's getting so crazy in here. I'm going bananas. Time to check out the pool. What it has to offer. What's good, my dude? Come over here and slap at the bass, man. Closer. Now you really feel the bass in them cheeks. I had to come over here and check out the hot tub. Now I gotta go check out the frick crack. What you got going on over here? Ooh, look at all this nice stuff. Ooh, I see something I like over here. Oh yeah. I'll be back to get a massage later. Something smells fishy around here. Oh, it's that. Here it is, the frick frack. What are we gonna lose today? Time to bounce out of this joint. I'm gonna go this way. What's going on in here? Holy moly, this is gas. Alright, time to go check something else out. What's going on over here? Mosh pit time. Let's go. Rhythm. Watch where you're stepping, bro. This circle isn't big enough for the both of our butts. Do I spot Quezzy? We straight gremlin. Thanks for watching everyone, Becky with a big butt here. Stay tuned for more. Like, comment, share.